Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Thursday, December the 20th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions for me? This is the email address you can use. This is a link to get into our free trading room, 100% free. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our room. This is a subscription link. Now, I'm going to tell you there will be a promo code tomorrow for 25% off. So if you want to wait one day for it, come on into the room or check my Twitter account and I'll have the promo code there. I open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock or every day at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen, get live on the mic at 9:05. I go to up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. Well, now I am just going to put a link in for you because I'm having some issues with lagging on my system, so bear with me here. But anyway, this was my star for the day. And by the way, there were many stars in the room today. Many star. But this is the one that kind of made my day. So DBVT. So I am going to put a link for you in the body of this email. I think it's called Biopharm Catalysts. And basically what it is it takes a look at all the little bios, and not just the little ones, but it takes a look at what happened in the biotech sector for the day. And they usually put it out. It's a free service. You can sign up for it, and you get an email usually around an hour after the market is closed. So it does capture some of the ones that have moved after the market closes. And typically that's when a lot of companies will release, findings, their phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, or something that is going to be influencing the stock, shall we say. So that's what happened to this one, DBVT. Can't remember exactly what the news was, but some kind of a quality control issue. I think they have a peanut allergy drug, but the FDA or somebody is questioning their quality control. Anyway, the bottom line is it collapsed. So I saw this when I read the news. I saw this, so I said, okay, I want to watch this one first thing tomorrow. And so when I woke up this morning, I was happy to see that it was sort of basing a little bit. All right, it wasn't moving up and down. It was just kind of basing a little bit. So this is very infuriating, guys. I'm just having some lagging issues. Anyway, so I took a pre-market short of this at 592. I have to expand this a little bit so that you can really see. Took a pre-market short of it at 592. I got out some at 521, and then as it came back up over 5, I got out at 495. Okay? And so that really obviously set the tone for the day. However, I got back in it. It's hard for me to, I don't know why this is happening, but I know it's very difficult on this scale. There we go. Now the scale's a little bit better. I reshorted it right here at 447. I wanted to see it take out I think the low is there underneath 440. I reshorted it right here at 447. It was kind of flipping around a little bit, so I wasn't really sure. So I did take out a little bit of 438 just in case, and then look what happened. So, I don't know where this is going. I did take some more out at 390 just in case, but in fact, I was saying right in the room, I was saying, wow, I wonder if we can get out down below 4, and literally it spiked down right to that level. So anyway, there's no support. This is a lifetime low, so all sorts of horrible things going for it. The other two, and I did take a little trade on this one, the SIPI. This had news after hours also. You can see that right there. And this is the other one that I unfortunately didn't take. This had news after hours also. And let's make sure I have the right symbol in here. Just a second. Oh, I'm sorry, it's GTHX. And again, you can see this is the mauve area. This is after hours yesterday, so it just collapsed. And unfortunately, I didn't take that one. But you know what? I was very happy with the DBVT because, of course, I'm so much about the percentage moves. So, you go from 590 something down to 5. That's a great percentage move. And then from 448 down to 390, another great percentage move. So now I got to talk about a couple of Holly alerts. I just missed getting this one, the fetch. Look at the alert was at 9:12. It's down to 17:45 right now. I waited for the whole number break. You can see I had my price alert was there, and I tried to get it right there, but it moved way too quickly for me. And I just have a big rule. I don't go and chase. Yes, if I had chased it, it would have worked out very well, but I just don't go and chase. The other one that worked out very well from Holly was REVG. Another good percentage move. The other one, the fetch, is about an 8.7% move. This one, there it is, 718 down to 678. That's about a 5% move. So, Holly has struggled the last little while, but hasn't struggled for me because, as I keep telling people, this is how I, man, sorry. This is how I use it. I just basically sort on the risk on profit percent, and then I follow the strong ones all day long. Strong in terms of the percentage gainers. I don't care about all these ones down here. I just don't care about them. So when I was watching Fetch and it was moving in 9:12, I said, okay, just wait for that whole number break. The other thing is that it had a great daily. If you look at the daily on Fetch, you're going to see why. This is a fairly recent IPO. So if I get the daily out on it, so these are lifetime lows now. So what's there not to like? So when I get a Holly alert that looks like this, that has no support whatsoever, of course I am very eager to follow it, and it started to move down. So that's why that was right at the top of my list. Anyway, I want to get back into this trading room, see what happens with the DBVT later on, and just got to bring back the capture program. Okay, so again, we will have a promo code. It'll be 25% off tomorrow. So if you can come into the room, I will certainly give it to you. If not, just check my Twitter account, the at @bbruin44. And you can follow me on Twitter, and it is there. I'll definitely post it there. So hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.